What if your AI agent got smarter every single time you put it to work? Most tools stay the same no matter how long you use them. You fix the same errors in session 3 that you fixed in session 1. You paste in the same context all over again. You re-explain your preferences from scratch each time. Hermes Agent works completely differently. This free tool, built by Nous Research, rewrites its own approach after every task it completes. The longer you run it, the better it gets at serving your specific workflow. My name is Paul, and I cover free AI tools that give solo operators real leverage. Not theory, not hype. Just tools you can use to build services and compete with larger setups. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go high level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is what actually happens with most AI agents. You invest time setting one up and it performs okay. Then a week later, you open it again. You are back to step 1. The agent has no memory of what went right. It has no record of where things broke. You end up re-explaining your workflow from the beginning. You repaste your context. You correct the same formatting errors again. That cycle drains real time you do not have. That is friction you cannot afford when you are building a service business. You need something that stacks your progress over time, not something that erases it. Here's where things get interesting. This is where I want to introduce what I call the compounding agent loop. It is the core idea behind why Hermes Agent deserves serious attention right now. The concept is straightforward. An agent should not just run tasks. It should get sharper at running them with every session. Most agents reset between runs. Hermes builds on each one instead. It captures what worked. It logs where things broke and why. It updates its own approach so the next session starts ahead of where the last one ended. That single shift changes how automation works in a real business. You stop spending time managing the agent. The agent starts managing itself. Think about what that actually means for someone running a solo business. Every other tool in your stack charges you monthly and stays exactly the same. Hermes Agent stays free and gets more capable over time. That is a fundamentally different value proposition. Hermes Agent was built by Nous Research, a team focused entirely on open source AI development. The project has thousands of GitHub stars and is growing fast. It is completely free to run. That combination of momentum and zero cost is worth taking seriously right now. Here's how the core mechanic actually works. Every time Hermes Agent finishes a task or runs into a snag, it writes a session log. That log records the strategy it used. It notes what broke down and where. It flags a smarter path for the next run. When you fire it up again, that log loads automatically. The agent starts the new session already better than it ended the last one. Most people never realize this part. Hermes Agent builds reusable skills from completed workflows. Say you use it today to research a client niche and draft a positioning summary. That full workflow gets saved as a callable skill. Tomorrow, you pull that skill up and Hermes runs the whole sequence again. No re-explaining the steps, no rebuilding anything from scratch, just clean execution on demand. Here is something most tutorials skip completely. That skill library grows over time. Every workflow you build becomes a permanent part of how Hermes operates inside your setup. A month from now, you have a library of skills built entirely around your actual business. That library keeps growing with every task you complete. Hermes Agent also tracks your corrections. Fix its output format once or redirect its tone on delivery. That preference saves permanently. Your standards carry forward across every future session automatically. You are not retraining it every few weeks. It accumulates your preferences and applies them without being asked. Stay with me because this next part is genuinely worth your time. Hermes Agent connects to a wide range of messaging platforms natively. Slack, WhatsApp, Discord, and email are all supported out of the box. That email connection is especially important for freelancers working with clients. Most clients send emails. Most automation tools treat email as an afterthought. Hermes makes it a primary channel. Your agent watches for incoming messages. It matches each one to the right skill. It starts building the output before you open your laptop. The platform supports well over 200 AI model options as well. You are not locked into one provider or one cost structure. If a stronger model drops next week, you swap it in and keep running. Hermes adapts without you needing to rebuild anything. Hermes Agent can also run serverless. When it sits idle between tasks, your compute costs drop to nearly nothing. You only spend on what is actively running. For a solo operator watching every dollar, that efficiency is hard to replicate elsewhere. Here is another angle nobody talks about. Because Hermes Agent runs locally and serverless, your data stays in your environment. You are not piping sensitive client information through a third-party cloud service. For consultants and freelancers handling confidential briefs, that is a real operational advantage. You keep the capability without the privacy trade-off. When I was building for my brother's garage, I lost hours every week to repetitive manual steps. I would rebuild the same context for the same types of tasks over and over again. I had no system that held progress between sessions. That lost momentum had a real cost. Hermes Agent is built specifically to stop that from happening. Now let me walk through where this creates actual leverage for a service business. If you handle recurring client deliverables, Hermes Agent absorbs the repetitive layer. Because it builds skills from your actual workflow, it speeds up your specific process, not a generic template, the exact steps you run for your actual clients. Running a small agency with tight delivery margins, that matters even more. Your team is not spending time on setup and integration. Hermes Agent comes ready with the tools that cover most standard delivery tasks. You point it at your workflow and it starts producing. Managing several client relationships demands precision. A self-improving agent gives you that without adding to your workload. It sharpens itself through session logs. You do not have to schedule a manual retraining. Here's the twist almost nobody is talking about. Hermes Agent handles email natively. Configure it to watch for incoming project requests. The matching workflow kicks off automatically. A client sends a brief, the agent reads it, pulls the right skill, and starts the output. That trigger-based automation used to require paid platforms with monthly fees. Hermes Agent delivers it at zero monthly cost. For complete beginners, the initial setup is more hands-on than a drag-and-drop dashboard. But Nous Research built a thorough onboarding flow that walks through each step. Already using a different free agent in your workflow? Hermes has a built-in migration path. You are not starting from scratch. This is where everything clicks. The compounding agent loop does not peak after one run. Every session you complete, you add real capability to your automation stack. It gets faster, it gets more accurate to your preferences. It goes from a tool you maintain to a system that works alongside you independently. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture a freelance operations consultant who manages onboarding packages for small professional services firms. She runs 3 client engagements at once. Every new project starts the same way. She gathers intake data, maps the process flow, and delivers a structured handoff document. She builds that full workflow inside Hermes Agent. The first run takes setup and a few corrections. By run 3, Hermes has locked in her preferred structure automatically. By month 2, the whole intake cycle runs faster than her manual process ever did. She uses that recovered time to pitch a 4th client and starts building from there. Picture what your workflow looks like 60 days from now. Hermes Agent has completed dozens of tasks inside your business. It knows your client types, it knows your preferred output formats, it knows which steps to shortcut and which ones need more care. Instead of managing your automation, you are pointing it at bigger problems. That is what the compounding agent loop is actually worth. Not the first session, everything that stacks after it. The gap between what agencies charge for AI-assisted work and what delivery actually costs keeps widening. A solo operator running Hermes Agent effectively can bridge that gap. You deliver at an agency level without agency overhead. That is the real opportunity sitting inside a free tool like this. Clients do not see how you are delivering, they see the output quality and the turnaround speed. A tool that lifts output quality and turnaround speed at zero monthly cost is genuine leverage. It changes what a solo operator can realistically take on. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.